What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make $100 in your PayPal account. You can make this money, you can make it fast, and you can get paid using PayPal. So there's a couple of things you're going to need. Of course, you're definitely going to need PayPal. So if you have PayPal, it's great, right? You're definitely going to need a computer or a smartphone to kind of use this, what I'm about to share with you. So subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on that bell notification every time I create a new video. You're going to be the first one to know. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation of how to make money online, check out the first link in the description for you to learn about that. All right. So how are you going to make $100 straight in your PayPal? You can make this over and over consistently, and this money can come in as long as you take action and as long as you're willing to put in the work. All right. So you can make PayPal money for free using this technique. So there's a website that is called Listverse. So Listverse is a website where people are they're writers. You can write on here. So you can write and you can get paid. But what if you're not a writer? I'm going to show you where you can get content that you can use to place on here so you can get paid with PayPal. All right. So as you see here, there is like different types of niches, I should say. There's all entertainment, there's gaming, there's music, pop culture, arts, there's general knowledge such as like books, facts, history, all that type of stuff, lifestyle, food, health. So you want to pick something that, of course, you're passionate about, because I consistently keep saying that you always want to do something that you love, something that you want to do long term, because once you love it and you're passionate about it, it's going to be easier for you, and it's just going to be simple. So listverse.com is a great way. As you can see, there's a lot of different articles on here. So people are writing articles and they're getting paid $100. So how do you sign up for this? All you have to do is just scroll all the way down here where it says write and get paid. You just click on it. Once you click on write and get paid, there it is. You make $100. So you can make $100 consistently over and over, go straight into your PayPal account. So $100 by PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, just make one. It's easy, it's free. Or we'll reply and say, sorry, it isn't, because they use PayPal. So if you don't have PayPal in your area or in your country or where you at, I apologize, but this video, you definitely need a PayPal account. So yeah, you make $100 just by creating articles. So they have the rules and everything over here. They also have pictures that you can upload. So just come through here, read it, see what they have to offer down here, and you can get all the information. Now you know the website of where you can make $100 a day or more on PayPal, right? Free money, as you can see. You can come over here and you can make money fast just by putting in work. So what you want to do, you want to find writers. If you can't write and you want to find topic, pick your niche and you want to go to Upwork. If you want to pay someone, feel free. And I'm going to show you a free way how you don't have to pay anyone, and I'm going to share with you where you can get free content. But let's say you have a little bit of money and you want to spend $5 to $10 where you can at least make $100. So remember, you're going into business, so nothing wrong if you spend $5 to $20 to get some great content and then make $80 profit. So if you do the math, $20 spent in your business and you make $80 back because you're going to be making $100. So if you can do that and you find a good writer, it's great. Now you can go on a website that is called Upwork. You can type in writers and you can find talented people where it says right here, just get started. All you got to do is just sign up for an account, just go right in there and you should be good. But also, if you don't want to go on Upwork, you can always go on Fiverr.com. So Fiverr.com, where you can go on writers, content writers, article writers. Let's go on content writers. When you go on here, you can find someone on here that will actually, where you can pay like $5, Some of them are doing like SEO as well. So if they're good writers, of course, your content on Listverse will go up. It will just boost up. Yeah, in the beginning, it's going to be slow, but the more content you put, the better chance you have on Listverse, right? So you can get $100 in your PayPal account just by using that. So come on here, search for the people, see who you want to work with, and look at their ratings, right? Look on their ratings and see what their price is, and then you could just sign up using these people. So it is great. And if you don't have any money to start and you want to find some content, feel free to go on Instagram. There's Instagram account. Let's say you want to write about motivational stuff. You can go on here, find motivational quotes. You search motivational quotes. And then once you come here, you can get ideas. Henry Ford, there's Will Smith quote, there's lessons people learn too late in life. Everything is temporary. Life isn't fair, all that type of stuff. So you can write the top 10 or top 9 things people learn late in life. These are hot topics that people want to be interested in. So again, just come through here, see different, like look at here. These are articles that you can use. So you can repurpose content and then you go on Listverse and then you can put it up. All right. If you don't have that, you can also go on Pinterest. Pinterest have a great place where there's lots of contents on there. So Pinterest, Instagram, you can go on here and you could swipe information and you could put it on Listverse. And once you package it all together, then yes, you're going to be making money and you can get money coming in your PayPal and make money fast. All right. So that's a great way how to make money online. Again, the website is called Listverse.com. You can get paid up to $100 in your PayPal account, make money with PayPal, and you can make money just by writing and getting paid for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share this, like it, show some love in the comments. Let me know if you enjoy this one. And then, of course, smash that bell notification and check out my #1 recommendation. I'll see you on the next video. All right? Talk to you soon. Peace.